Is your Windows 11 time and date refusing to auto-sync? Don't worry, in this quick video, I'll show you the exact steps to fix it in seconds. Let's solve it right now. First, click on the Start menu. Go to Settings. Click on Time and Language. Open Date and Time. Turn on Set the Time automatically. Here is the next way. Search for Run and click on it. In the Run box, type timedate.cpl and click OK. Click on Internet Time. Click on Change Settings. Select time.nist.gov from the drop-down. Click Update Now, then click OK. And OK again. Here is the next way. Search for Services and open it. Find Auto Time Zone Updater. Right-click and open Properties. Set it to Automatic. Click Apply and OK. Right-click again and click Start. Now find Windows Time. Right-click and choose Properties. Set it to Automatic. Then click Apply and OK. Now your Windows 11 time and date should sync perfectly again. If this fix helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech solutions.